Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set adapt sound preference to clear or soft on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, we go down and tap on sound quality and effects. In here, tap on adapt sound and then tap on the settings icon right next to a preset age. And in here, tap on sound preference. And from here, you can choose between clear or soft. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to settings. Or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.